The next question, which is the most expensive? In my opinion, the most expensive is SolidWorks because the price is so expensive for me. Next, the next question number 4, which is the most or least reliable is SolidWorks because is it more versatile than Borland or AutoCAD. Next, the question number 5, which is most difficult or easiest to use? In my opinion, the more difficult one is C++ because it uses logic, while the easier one is SolidWorks because we only need to think about the design model. Next, the question number 6, which is the best or worst? I think is ya, yang paling susah itu adalah SolidWorks because the SolidWorks can be used for anything. And the last question about which is the most or least user-friendly is SolidWorks compared to C++ because it is more complex to use. That's for all. Is I think enough. Thank you. Sorry if there is a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Isan Pardika. You can call me Isan. My study ID number is 23 11 52 30 31 from the Information System Department, Andalas University. Now, I want to talk about a list of all the computers I use in my work or study. Is in question number 1, in programming, I usually use an application like Borland C++ because this application is one of the most application that easy to use. Next, question number 2, the application software that I use is Photoshop and Canva because this application is easy to use, and I also like designing using this application with tools that are easy to use and user-friendly in creating tasks such as PowerPoint, poster, and others. Next, question number 3, what software system do I usually use? The software system usually I use such as like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Classroom, Mr. MS Team, and others. Next, I want to talk about the list of the computer software in my non-college usually used. Previously, I interviewed my friend. His name is Muhammad Fatan Khairullah Hasnil from the Industrial Engineering Department, Andalas University. So next, the question number 1, what are the difference between the IT and non-IT software you have listened? The difference between I choose the difference about between Borland C++ and SolidWorks. Borland C++ is used to create a program that we want, while SolidWorks is useful for creating 3D design and simulation the work of an object that we make, such as a simulation about a jack. Next, the question number 2, which is the cheapest? In my opinion, C++ is easier to use because I have often to use that application before.